Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make my laptop faster. Chapter 1. How to laptop fast working configuring storage. To start, click Start and open Settings. Here in the System section, click on Storage. You are going to confirm that the Storage Sense switch is active. You will access this option. After that, you can configure the different options presented to optimize PC performance. After this, click on Run Storage Sense now and wait for this process to finish. Chapter 2. How to laptop fast working adjusting the taskbar. To start, click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Personalization section, you will open the taskbar option. While here, disable the switches in the taskbar items section to help improve performance. Chapter 3. How to laptop fast working removing startup apps. To get started, right-click on Start and select Task Manager. Now click on Startup Apps. Here, select the desired applications and click on Disable. Chapter 4. How to laptop fast working configuring apps. For this method, open Start and then Settings. After that, in Apps, click on Advanced App Settings. You're going to confirm that the Archive Apps switch is enabled. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. How to laptop fast working adjusting the screen. To start, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings. In this window, you're going to click on Graphics. Next, confirm that the optimizations for windowed games switch is active. Chapter 6. How to laptop fast working adjusting games. To start, click Start and open Settings. You are going to go to the Gaming section and here you will click on the Game Mode option. Check that the Game Mode switch is enabled. Chapter 7. How to laptop fast working from accessibility. To start, click on Start and then on Settings. After that, in Accessibility, click on Visual Effects. Then turn off the switches, transparency effects, and animation effects. Chapter 8. How to laptop fast working from privacy. The first thing is to open Settings from the Start menu. When doing so, go to Privacy and Security. Once there, generally disable all the switches that are available. After that, in Activity History, disable the switch to store my activity history on this device. Finally, in inking and typing personalization, disable the associated switch. Chapter 9. How to Laptop Fast Working Adjusting Power. To start, press Start and open Settings again. After this, in the System section, click on Power. When doing so, in the Power Mode line, set the best performance option. Chapter 10. How to Laptop Fast Working Uninstalling Apps. For this method, open the control panel from the search box. Click Uninstall a program. Select the desired application and click Uninstall. You must confirm by clicking Yes. In the App Wizard, follow the steps to complete the uninstall. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.